Let's be real. Sometimes it's not that you're not pretty. It's just that a few small habits are dulling your natural glow. And the worst part? You don't even realize it. Because most of these things don't make you ugly. They just make your energy feel off. Your face, your body language, your vibe, all slightly misaligned. So in this video, we're talking about 6 things that secretly make you look less attractive. Not to judge, but to adjust. Because once you fix these, you'll notice how people start reacting to you differently. They stare longer, they listen closer, and you start to feel effortlessly magnetic. 1. Overexpressing your face. Listen, your expressions tell stories before your words do. When you constantly frown, oversmirk, or have that "I'm stressed 24/7" face, it subconsciously communicates tension. People read that as tired, older, or even unapproachable. Instead, practice soft expressions, relaxed brows, calm eyes, subtle half smile. You don't have to force joy, just release tension. Little tip: every few hours, drop your jaw and roll your shoulders. You'll literally feel your energy soften, and it'll show on your face instantly. Peace is prettier than pressure. Every time. 2. Neglecting your posture. Your face looks less defined when your posture is off. When you slouch, your neck folds, your jawline disappears, your confidence dims. But when you stand or sit tall, everything about your presence elevates. Shoulders back, chin slightly up, back straight, chest open. It's not about being stiff, it's about carrying yourself like you respect your space. Confidence starts in your spine. 3. Dryness. Lips, skin, energy. Dry skin, dry lips, dry vibe. I'll give. I stopped caring. Hydration isn't just skincare, it's attractiveness. When your skin glows, it signals health. When your lips shine, it signals softness. And when your energy feels hydrated, meaning you're rested, nourished, calm, you radiate femininity. Lip balm always, moisturizer always, water always. It's not about makeup, it's about moisture. Because dryness dulls both your look and your energy. 4. Overdoing your aesthetic. You don't need to match the entire Pinterest board. When everything is overly curated, lashes, nails, accessories, makeup, it can actually distract from your natural features. Soft beauty always wins over trying too hard. Focus on balance. If you go bold lips, do softer eyes. If you wear statement earrings, go for a neutral hairstyle. Pretty doesn't mean perfect. It means pleasing to look at. And sometimes, less distraction equals more attraction. 5. Talking too loud or moving too fast. This one's about feminine energy. You can be confident and still move slow. You can be funny and still speak softly. When you rush every sentence or gesture, it reads as anxious energy, and anxious energy reads as less confident. Slow down when you talk. Move with intention, not impulse. It gives luxury energy, calm, controlled, secure. And that energy is magnetic. Because people listen longer when you don't compete for attention, you command it. 6. Being too available. Now let's talk about the glow killer no one mentions. Over-availability. You can't glow if your energy is scattered everywhere. When you always reply instantly, always show up for everyone, always say yes, your presence stops feeling valuable. Attractiveness isn't just looks, it's mystery and boundaries. Take longer to respond. Don't overshare everything online. Be seen, not accessible. People are drawn to what they can't fully have, and that includes your energy. You glow more when you protect your peace. So yeah, most of these things aren't about changing your looks. They're about changing your energy. Relax your face, fix your posture, hydrate your lips and your vibe. Move softer, Protect your mystery. You don't need to do more to be pretty. You just need to stop doing the things that dull your light. Because the most attractive version of you is the one that feels peaceful, intentional, and a little bit mysterious. Comment "Soft Confidence Activated" below if you're done dimming your glow. See you in the next video.